Want more photography website design videos like this? Then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. Here's a brief comparison of the costs involved in creating a photography website with Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. Go through all the points and costs mentioned for each of these website builders to figure out which one is the best for you. Number 1. Cost of building a photography website with Wix. Wix is one of the easiest website builders to use for a photography website when you are an absolute beginner. It has an impressive array of more than 30 templates specifically designed for photographers. Wix uses simple drag and drop tools to set up a website. You will find it very easy to upload, edit, and manage photographs on Wix. However, Wix doesn't give you the option to change your template down the line. Wix offers a free plan that you can use to build your site and see how it turns out. However, it has very limited features and storage. So you may have to opt for the premium plans that cost around $13 per month and upwards. Wix also has e-commerce plans starting at around $23 per month, if you wish to use your photography website for online sales as well. Number 2. Cost of building a photography website with Squarespace. Squarespace is slightly more challenging than Wix. Nevertheless, it has a stunning range of themes. The additional benefit is that these themes are responsive. So your website will look just as good on a mobile device as on a desktop. Squarespace also allows users the flexibility to change their design template after the website goes live. Squarespace pricing plans range from around $12 to $40 per month. E-commerce plans start at $18 per month. You can always set up your website using the basic plan and upgrade to an advanced option after your business takes off. Number 3. Cost of building a photography website with WordPress. WordPress is a highly recommended website builder for many reasons. Firstly, it is free, and you can integrate your chosen theme with any hosting service. It gives you complete control over your website and has amazing customization options. WordPress has several themes that are specifically designed for photographers, which makes it very easy to set up a photography website. WordPress plugins also allow you to add an online gallery, store, forum, or other special feature that you desire. It provides easy SEO integration and analytics that will enable you to evaluate the performance of your website. Finally, self-hosted WordPress is the best choice when it comes to content ownership. You get to keep all your website content and images on your own server, unlike in the case of Wix and Squarespace. So, should you decide to migrate to a new web host later, you will not have to worry about transferring the content and images to the new web host. A fully functional, low-budget WordPress website will cost you around $5 per month. While one with premium plugins and services can be created for around $20 per month. Now that you know the costs involved in making a photography website with Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress, pick the one that suits your budget. While Wix is beginner-friendly, it does have limitations in how you design your website. Squarespace is a bit more advanced than Wix, but it still won't give you complete freedom to design your website the way you want to. WordPress will give you full control to design your website and will be cheaper than Wix and Squarespace. If you want to get started with building your photography website with WordPress, then I have created a detailed tutorial for it. This tutorial will show you the easiest and the fastest way to create a professional-looking photography website. I am leaving the link to this tutorial in the description below. I always keep this tutorial updated, so you will never get out of date information. Click the link in the description below to get started with building your photography website. And before you leave, if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.